Okay, so now we're going to install our hypervisor. The hypervisor we're going to use is VirtualBox. So we're going to open our web browser and we're going to Google search VirtualBox. And it should be the first link that pops up at virtualbox.org. So click on that. And then on the sidebar, go to Downloads. And under Platform Packages, I'm on a Windows machine. So I'm going to download the Windows Host platform package. And then we're going to wait for that to download. Okay, so now VirtualBox has been downloaded onto our computer, and now we're going to install it. So open the file, and then click Next, Next, Yes, Yes, and then Install. This install should only take a couple seconds to a few minutes, depending on how strong your Wi-Fi connection is. Okay, so now we're going to click Finish. And now we have VirtualBox installed on our computer. You can see I already have Kali Linux, Windows 10, and Windows Server already installed into my machine. We're going to do that in some of the coming videos, but in the next video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux into VirtualBox.